Someone you trust messages you, "I found a simple way to make money. Pay a small joining fee, invite a few people, and you can earn from their signups." At first, it may sound harmless. There are screenshots of payouts, stories of success, and people promising that this is your chance to get ahead. But one question matters more than any screenshot. Where does the money actually come from? In a pyramid scheme, it usually comes from the people who join after you. A pyramid scheme is built on recruitment, not real value. People near the top receive money from people below them. New members are told they can recover their fee and make a profit by bringing in even more people. Imagine one person recruits 5 people, each of those recruits 5 more, then those 25 recruits 5 each. The numbers grow incredibly fast. After only a few rounds, the scheme needs hundreds, then thousands, then millions of new recruits. Eventually, there are not enough new people left to keep the money moving. That is when the pyramid collapses. The people who joined early may already have made money, but most people near the bottom lose. They paid a fee, bought expensive packages, or convinced friends and family to join. Some lose savings, others lose trust. This is why these scams often spread through personal relationships. A stranger is easy to ignore, but when the invitation comes from a friend, cousin, coworker, or someone you admire, it feels safer. The scam does not only use money. It also uses urgency, hope, and fear that you could miss an opportunity others have found. The early payouts can make the system look real, but those payouts may not come from genuine sales. They may simply be money from people who joined later. The first winners become proof used to attract the next wave. You may hear "you just need the right mindset," or "people fail because they do not work hard enough." But that hides the real problem. In a system that depends on endless recruitment, most people are guaranteed to end up at the bottom. A real business earns money by offering something people genuinely want: a useful product, a service, a skill, or a solution to a real problem. Customers should be able to buy that value without being recruited into the business. In a pyramid scheme, the product is often secondary. It may exist only to make the operation look legitimate. The real incentive is still recruiting the next person. So watch for the warning signs: promises of fast money with little risk, pressure to join immediately, bigger rewards for recruitment than for real sales, and vague explanations about where the profits come from. Before joining any opportunity, ask 3 questions. What am I actually buying? Who pays for it and why? And could this business survive if nobody recruited another person? If the answer is no, it is not a sustainable business. It is a structure that needs new victims to keep standing. A pyramid may look impressive from a distance, but its weight is carried by the people at the bottom. And when it falls, they are the ones it lands on.